This woman immediately filed for divorce after this hidden camera filmed what her husband was doing to his dog. Alice was a woman who lived with her husband Tom and their dog Lucky. She had had her little French bulldog for 8 years and loved him more than anything. One day, as Alice was coming home from work, she noticed that her dog had some worrying wounds on his head. He was crying and frightened, as if afraid of something. She couldn't believe her eyes and asked Tom what had happened to her dog, as he was supposed to look after him while she was at